Hi there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of coffee table design ideas. Whether you are a minimalist, a vintage enthusiast, or a lover of all things modern, we have got something for everyone. So grab your favorite brew, sit back, and let's explore some fabulous coffee table designs. First up, let's talk about modern coffee tables. Sleek lines, minimalist designs, and often featuring materials like glass, metals, or wood. Modern coffee tables are perfect for contemporary spaces. Take this one, for example. Its clean lines and geometric shape add a touch of sophistication to any living room. Next, we have rustic coffee tables made from reclaimed wood or featuring distressed finishes. These tables bring warmth and charm to any space. They are perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere, especially in farmhouse or cottage style homes. Plus, they are often sturdy and durable, making them great for families. Now, let's talk about multifunctional coffee tables. These clever designs serve more than just one purpose, from lift top tables with hidden storage to coffee tables that convert into dining tables. They are perfect for small spaces and anyone looking to maximize functionality without sacrificing style. Vintage coffee tables. They bring a sense of nostalgia and character to any room. Whether it's a retro design from 1915s or a Victorian inspired piece, vintage coffee tables add a unique focal point to your space. Look for intricate detailing, ornate legs, or rich wood finishes to capture that vintage charm. Last but not least, we have electric coffee tables. These tables are all about mixing and matching different styles, materials, and textures. From combining metals and wood to incorporate unconventional elements like stone, electric coffee tables are a perfect for those who love to express their creativity and personality through their decor. And there you have it, folks. A roundup of coffee table design ideas to suit every taste and style. Whether you prefer modern simplicity, rustic charm, multifunctionality, vintage allure, or electric creativity, there is coffee table out there waiting to elevate your living space. So which design caught your eye? Let us know in comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating and happy brewing.